So you decided to foster kittens. That's great! Kittens are cute, fluffy, and they need your help. Opening your home and your heart to kittens is a fun and life-changing experience. This video will give you all the basic information you need to start saving kittens' lives, and do it confidently and successfully. Kittens are tiny and don't require a lot of space. They should be set up in a small area in your home that is cozy and safe from other animals. Your kitten setup should include all of the essentials: a warm, cozy bed, food and water bowls, shallow litter box, toys, and a scratcher. A spare room, large dog crate, and covered playpen are all great options. When you're setting up your kitten room, don't forget to make it comfy for you too. You are likely to spend more time with the kittens if the room is comfortable and inviting. Kittens over 4 weeks old should be offered around 3 tablespoons of canned food 3 to 4 times a day. They should also have access to water and dry food at all times. In the shelter, we feed Purina Kitten Chow and Royal Canin Baby Cat Kibble, as well as a variety of different canned food brands. When kittens are learning how to eat solid food, they may need some help learning how to eat on their own. Hand feeding and syringe feeding ensures that the kittens are getting all the nutrition they need and is a regular part of fostering. As a foster parent, you will be responsible for closely monitoring the kitten's health and development. As part of your daily routine, you will be weighing each kitten and doing a brief exam to make sure they are healthy and gaining weight. Each kitten will have their own progress report, where you will record their weight and any signs of illness. Weight gain in kittens is so important. It's the easiest way to tell if a kitten is happy and healthy. Kittens 4 to 12 weeks old should gain at least a ½ ounce per day. Failure to gain weight is often the first sign that something might be wrong. How to weigh a kitten? It's really simple.
So this is Clover. She's going to help us show you how to weigh kittens today. So this is your gram scale. It comes with its own little bowl. So once it's on, you're just going to zero that out and take your kitten, put her in, 1 pound 5 ounces. As they get bigger, they may be too large for this little bowl that the scale comes with. So you're going to use a larger Tupperware. It's okay, baby. Place that on top, zero that out, place kitten in, 1 pound 5 ounces. Good girl.
If your kitten is having trouble gaining weight, please contact the vet staff for advice. Once you've weighed the kitten, it's time for a quick checkup to look for signs of illness. You can follow along using the daily checkup document found on the Foster Resources page. Let's do a kitten checkup together.
So this is Twig. He's going to help us do a kitten exam today. His once daily kitten checkup.
Check the kitten's eyes for any signs of discharge, crusting, or swelling. Check the kitten's nose for any signs of discharge. Gently open the kitten's mouth to check for any ulcers on the tongue. Ulcers look like red spots or blisters on the tongue and require treatment right away. Next, check the kitten's hydration. You can do this by feeling his gums and gently picking up the skin on his back. If the kitten's gums feel dry or tacky, he is dehydrated. If his skin is slow to snap back, the kitten is dehydrated. The kitten in this video is a little bit dehydrated. Keeping the kittens clean is also an important part of being a good foster parent, so check them over daily and help them stay clean. More information on cleaning and bathing kittens is available in your foster kitten manual. Help your foster kittens grow up to be confident, well-adjusted, and friendly cats by providing tons of socialization. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Introduce them to a variety of different toys for both solo and interactive play. Enlist the entire family and take turns in the kitten room. Introduce them to appropriate scratching areas and help them learn how to use them. You can do this by waving a toy above them, like this, or by just putting them right on the post like this. Try to make petting and handling a positive experience. Toothbrushes are great tools that teach kittens to enjoy human interaction. They are also really great for giving tiny head massages. Food is also a great tool for socializing kittens. This kitten is getting a really tasty treat while being held, and he couldn't be happier. Sometimes kittens can get a little wild and need your help learning appropriate behavior. Never use your hands as playthings for kittens. A great way to discourage play biting is by redirecting the kitten's focus to appropriate toys. Let's see that again. Good job, little kitten. Another part of socialization is introducing your foster kittens to new people. Have them meet women, men, and children. Throw weekly kitten parties. Each week is a milestone and should be celebrated. Invite your family and friends over and make it fun. Playing with kittens is important, but don't forget to pick them up. Pet them and pick them up often.
Hey, do you want to see your buddy?
Hey!
Yeah, you're my pal.
Who's that? That's
Yay.
your pal.
At times, you might be fostering under-socialized kittens. Our Foster Resources page has links to some great info on working with shy kittens. Any behavior concerns, such as fear, rough play, or litter box training, should be brought to our attention. We can give you advice on how to correct some of these behaviors. Kittens in foster care will often be on medication. Liquid medication and eye medication are the most common types. At Dakin, we consider giving fluids and syringe feeding a routine part of kitten care. We encourage all of our fosters to learn these skills because many kittens going into foster care will need this type of care at some point. It may sound scary, but it's not. Once you are trained and have done it a few times, it will soon become part of your normal foster routine. We have detailed instructional videos that are easily accessible on the Foster Resources page. We also provide all of the medical supplies and are happy to give in-person demonstrations. Just remember that what you are doing is ultimately saving this kitten's life. Once your kittens have reached 2 pounds and are healthy, they are ready to be spayed or neutered, then adopted. Saying goodbye is hard, but it is the ultimate goal of fostering. Of course, you have grown attached and just love them to pieces, but it is time for them to find their forever home. Helping kittens reach adoption age is just another reason to celebrate. Remember that you are awesome. Saving lives is so much fun, and we couldn't do it without you. Thank you so much for fostering.